Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Google Business Profile website tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable Google Business Profile website tracking, start by signing into your Google Business Profile account. Navigate to the Business Profiles section from the main dashboard. Select the specific business location you want to manage. In the menu on the left, click on Website. Here, you'll find options related to your website settings. Look for the Tracking Settings or Google Analytics Integration option. If you see an option to disable tracking, toggle it off. If there isn't a direct toggle, you may need to remove the Google Analytics property associated with your business. To do this, go to Google Analytics and sign in with the same account. Select the property linked to your business profile. Navigate to the Admin section at the bottom left of the screen. Under the Property column, click on Property Settings. Scroll down to find the option to move to Trash Can. Confirm the action and complete the process to return to your Google Business Profile to ensure the settings are updated. Consider reviewing any third-party tracking tools linked to your website and disable them as well. Regularly check your website settings to ensure tracking remains disabled. This ensures that your business profile data remains private and secure. By following these steps, you can effectively disable tracking on your Google Business Profile website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.